so welcome back to Lex Reads. So in today's video, I wanted to see how many books I have in this library. The last time I did this, oh my gosh, I think it was a year ago, and I had like nine. Oh, let's see. Okay, so it was 890 books, and I did this a year ago. Now, I know that I have more than that because as y'all know, clearly been buying books like nobody's business. I did get rid of some books recently. I want to say last month, but it was only a couple. I think maybe like 7 or something like that. And I have done some unhauls um like within the past year. But again, I keep on accumulating more books because I just buy them. Like for example, today I just got back. I was on a work trip. Today I went to a bookstore, I got one book, and then yesterday I went to a bookstore, I got 2 books. So yeah. Then on third one of those days when I took you guys along with me on my lunch break, I got one book, and I think that was on a Thursday. So Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, I bought a total of 4 books. So yeah, keep on accumulating them. Again, was very curious to see how many I have. Now how I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna go around the room and I have these post-it notes, which I did start, and I just count all the books, on the shelves. Now I didn't do like the bottom shelf yet. I haven't done my section of Harlem Renaissance. I have, and I also did not do my YA section. But yeah, I am very curious to see how many books I have, and will it be more or not. I'm guessing I have like, I do think I am in a 900 range. Again, they say if you have 1,000 books, it's a library, which if you got one book, it is a library to me, okay? I do think I am in the 900 range for some reason. But then I'm thinking, girl, you still might be in like the lower 800. But yeah, I'm predicting like 9. So we are going to see. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And let's count these books.
How can we be found? Tell me where to start. Cause every time you start, I feel trembling in my. How can we be found? Tell me where to start. Cause every time you start, I feel trembling in my. How can we be found? Tell me where to start. Cause every time you start.
Okay, so, okay. Oh Lord, I'm gonna turn on that air conditioner. So I counted all the books on the shelves, which I'm gonna tally up in a minute, but I haven't included the new books that I bought, which I will show you guys this. So I bought 2 Beverly Jenkins books. I've been on a Beverly Jenkins kick. I have the 3rd book in the Women Who Dare series, so that series is finished. Just have to read it now. And then today I got Midnight. This is a standalone. And then I went to a used bookstore while I was in Connecticut for business, and they had all of their um, book of the months. They were all $10. So I really have been wanting to read this. This is All We Were Promised by Ashton Lattimore. This is a slavery themed book, I believe. And I think it came out last year, and I've been wanting to read it, but of course, they want to pay the full price. So I only paid $10 for this, which is bomb. Those are 3 books, and then I didn't include this book. This is a book I got last Thursday when you guys went along with me on my lunch break when I went to the bookstore. So I have this Betsy Brown by Intashaki Strange. So that's 4 books. So I'm gonna put, oh, and then here's the last book, which I got this last month, but this is our book club pick for this month. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books. So let me put a sticky note on these books. So 5. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is take all these sticky notes. I'm gonna get my handy dandy calculator. We are going to count these. Okay, you guys. So as you can see, it's the next morning. I got caught up. Okay, I got caught up. I did finish counting the books in this library. Now, this does not include my digital books. But in this library, I have a total of 874 books. So I thought I had like 900 books. No. Now I actually have less books than I had last year. So I had 890. But yeah, this year I have 874 books. I didn't even think about the digital copies, which I don't have a lot of digital copy books, like, audio, ebooks. Then I'm not going to count, obviously, the ones from Kindle, because look, you get them, but you don't own them. I'm a little surprised again because I thought I had hit the 900. And I think the reason why is because I'm constantly buying, books. But like I told you guys earlier, I did get rid of some books. I got a bag of books I got rid of. And then last month I got rid of some books. That's a really good amount. The fact that I have that many books and got rid of books, and I still have over 800 books. That's a lot of books. That's a lot. And I am grateful because these books are super expensive. Books have become crazy expensive, okay? But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Again, I just wanted to count how many books I have. I think I am going to start doing this every year. So last year I did it in June of last year. So I did it July of this year, 2025. So I want to count next year to see how many books I have. And yeah, I'll be back with more Black books. Bye.